morning.
We just had our ano ba yan? Late lunch, merienda.
Delicious meal.
What do you call that place?
Garlic shrimp.
So for those of you who want to travel to Okinawa,
You should not miss that.
visit.
Must.
So we tried
Triple
yung
must.
ano bang tinry natin doon? Yung
Black shrimp, black
shrimp,
garlic shrimp, and red garlic shrimp.
garlic shrimp. So super busog kami. So we decided to go directly sa next na overnight na place natin because beaches along the way, mga beach destinations na ba? Tama ba?
Ano?
Yung destination natin is what is the we're going ano to?
Rosanel. We're going to Nago,
We're going Nago. Okay, Nago.
but we have to cross. We're crossing the coastal road. We'll not remain in the coastal road. I chose several destinations along the coastal road, but most of them are beaches. But since we're going to a beach anyway, dito tayo punta.
So, ito yung rota namin, no? Makita mo yung rota is we're traveling
Speed of light.
50 kilometers per hour. That's the speed limit.
Yes.
Then 29 minutes to our destination. Medyo sloping paakyat yung biyahe, so most likely dito tayo sa walang overtaking talaga dito sa Hapon, no? So yung napuntahan natin today, Mansamo.
What? Yeah.
And we have
Cape Mansamo.
Somebody's in earphones kasi.
Then we went to the
In 8 kilometers, take the
sugar.
ramp to Cape Hito, Ocean Expo Park.
Only 2 destinations.
Bakit yun? May magi pa. Kung wala, along the road, we can have a stopover.
Kaya na tayo.
Ha? Papasok?
Huwag na, late na tayo. Diretso tayo sa sayang din yung space. Yan pala Mission Beach. Okay.
Yung kahoy nila, African din.
Sa Coastal Road. Sa Coastal Road.
White sand din, no?